Hey guys, I'm just gonna feed my cat. In that there are still plenty of meat still on the plate that he had for lunch. So I'm just gonna pour some more in anyways. Cause it's dinner time. It's raining meat from out the sky. Meat. Yeah. Just got some more meat and I'm gonna put this away. Yeah. Yeah. And also I'm gonna get some pajamas on. So just watch the cat. Not me. Because I'm a woman. You know, Spike, the viewers, whoever watches, are watching you. Spike, eat some more. Wait, eat some more. What's more, Spike? There's still left over on the plate. Eat some more. Eat that more. Okay, just go for biscuits. Yeah. Gonna take my t-shirt off. And wear the piggy ones. You know, my stitch pajamas are on the table somewhere that I saw when I got back home from after school. So I'm gonna wear the piggy ones instead, like Pussy Pig. Yeah. Just don't worry what I'm doing, guys. I'm not even recording myself naked. Just gonna take my trousers off. I don't know, I just put my clothes on the chair. Yeah. Just gonna put on the DVD. While you watch the cat. Meow. Man, the screen's so bright. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Postcard. Postcard. By the way, I found this coin here. I don't know why. Hand of Doom. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, if I'm doing some more cat videos, just don't forget to click the like button as hard as you can and subscribe to my channel and leave some comments down below. for more cat videos, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.